Is there any value in having a company internal version of a traditional product management industry event? I think that's a good question, and it's one that was answered for me. Hi, I'm Greg Prickril with Prickril Consulting, and a couple of months ago I was fortunate enough to be invited to an event that was hosted by a big company for their product managers. And I just wanted to share it because I thought it was really unusual and I was just blown away by this event. So the idea was to bring a critical mass of product managers together at their headquarters in one place. And this is a huge company. So there were about 300 people in attendance, which is pretty impressive in and of itself. The program was pretty traditional in that there were different tracks. What I really loved is that they had internal people presenting, of course, who could share success stories around product management. But they also made an effort to bring people in from outside, people from universities, people from other companies, to talk about their experience with product management. So it was done extremely professionally. All the talks were recorded. There was a very nice guide or program to the event. So it may be one of the most professional events I have ever attended. And what's interesting was it wasn't organized by somebody in the product management community. There was somebody in the learning organization who saw that product managers didn't necessarily feel acknowledged the way maybe they would like. So put this event together. So one day, full day, there was dinner and beer afterwards so that people could talk to each other. So once again, super professional, really impressive, the number of people from one company, and they could have had a lot more, and I suspect in the future there will be a lot more participants. What were the key outcomes? Well, obviously there was a lot of knowledge sharing. So people saw from an internal perspective how other groups were doing product management. From an external perspective, got insight into how other companies, do product management, what their challenges are. I think there was a huge impact on morale. And some folks that I know there shared some feedback with me later. And people felt like for the first time product management was really acknowledged as an important discipline in this company. So I think it set really high expectations, and I'm sure the people that attended are looking forward to the next one and now kind of expect a different level of support. I hope in the next one they invite some people who are outside the product management community so that they spread this knowledge about what product management is about, what role it should play. But I didn't see too many opportunities to improve on the organization of the event or the content. It was just super impressive. So my call to action to you is to think about holding one of these events for your company. Invite a critical mass of product managers. Find somebody who has the time to really organize it well. If you can, record the sessions. They can be put on the intranet later so that people who couldn't attend can consume them. Maybe start small with a pilot, but the impact that I saw, I think, was huge. There was also a significant amount of effort, but in my estimation, it was well worth it. Very curious what you think. Does your company already have an internal event? Have you attended one of these things? Feel free to share your experiences in the comments.